don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll
First,
show up.
remove the 7 screws here.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Note that there are 2 screws on the two sides though. The casing that needs to be removed.
Make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you
After
wanna
all
play
the screws
tough
are
and wanna
removed,
hate this,
we
I'll
can
always
take
show
off the
up
outer
and make a
casing.
statement.
Before disassembling the SDI module, we need to remove the 2 outer nuts first. Here, N12 leads can be used for operation. Practical
I
demonstration.
got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because
After
you are behind a
replacing
fake
the module,
exterior, inferior.
we
You know
have
I'll
installed
always
the
be a bit
casing
superior. Get off
and
of me,
connected
this
the
ain't no
power
humble
outlet.
brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got